Hey everybody, this is obviously an awesome moment for us. We want to thank you so much for letting us do this installation for you. This is a quick video that's going to talk about some of the things that you should expect during the installation. It's just basically something to kind of help move the installation along. When we get there, the day of installation, we want to know what room you want us to start in. So if there's a particular order that you would like us to do, let's discuss that. Let's definitely do a quick review. Let's talk about all the indoor units, sizes, and locations really fast. And we're going to check that list off real quick. And then obviously we're going to talk about where the unit's going to go outside. Once we've discussed all those three things, then we're going to start moving on to the installation. And the reason why we cover those three things first is we just want to make sure we're doing all the work where we need to do it in the right areas. Once we confirm that, we're going to move on to the next step, which is we're going to determine what room you wanted us to start in what order, and we're going to start doing those in that style of installation. So we're going to go in, we're going to cover everything. We're going to get everything ready to go. We're going to put that particular unit in, if it's a ceiling cassette or a wall unit. One thing we would like for you to do before we do the installation in that room, though, is if you can move as many, personal items as you can. If it's, clothes, furniture, chairs, anything that might be in that way, pictures on the wall, whatever, that we might need to move anyway. So we would prefer that you would do that for us, and we do thank you so for doing that. And then do that in every room that you know that we're going to be working in, because we will discuss obviously what location, so you'll know. So once we get all that done, then we'll go from room to room, doing that same order until we get it finished. Once we get all the indoor units hung or wall mounts done or whatever, then we're going to go on to the refrigeration process. If it's a branch box or a multi-port, and we're going to do those lines one at a time until they're finished. Once they're all finished, then we're going to finally set the outdoor unit, finish up any kind of outdoor cosmetics, if there's line set height or whatever, and then basically get that done. Once that's done, then we're going to go on and do, pressure testing, evacuation, and then additional refrigerant charge. And then obviously, once we're done with that, we get a fully charged system, and then we can test it and fire it off and see how it works. Once we get done with all of our testing, then we're going to basically do a walkthrough with you on the thermostats, all the controls. We're going to show you how they function. Well, we're not going to get into every single little component of that. We're going to teach you how to navigate through it, because everybody likes to use them in their own little way. So we're going to teach you how to function the device and fully go through it, and then you'll be able to do whatever kind of setup you would like at that point. So thank you so much for letting us do the work for you. We really appreciate the opportunity. Before we leave on any install, if there's anything that you want us to do, please, that's a perfect opportunity to let us know. And that's every day. So whatever you need us to do, we're glad to accommodate. Again, thank you so much. We appreciate this opportunity, and we're thrilled to get you some air conditioning or heating, or the comfort system that you were looking for. We're 100% guaranteeing that you'll be satisfied. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.